Hi everyone, this is Lina. Welcome to my YouTube tutorial channel, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're next aware when I upload a video. So I noticed I haven't been posting any cooking recipes lately, so this is what we're going to be making today are some spicy patties. They're very easy to make and very tasty. If you don't like spicy food, just leave out the spice. So I've heated some olive oil in a pan and I'm just cooking one onion. So I'm just going to mix that around until it caramelizes.
I think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live.
So now that my onions are caramelized, I'm just going to turn the cooker off and just leave that to one side. So in another pan, I'm just going to pour some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons worth. And now I'm just going to stir fry the mincemeat here. And this is about, I would say, 4 tablespoons of mincemeat. That should be enough to do about 10 patties. So we're just going to keep stirring our mincemeat and frying it until it's all browned all over.
I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. I think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend.
So now that our meat is cooked through, I'm just going to turn down the heat, and now it's time to add all our spices. So each time I add some spice, it will be just a sprinkle, which is about, I would say, a teaspoon roughly. I'm just eyeballing it here because I've done this so much. So about a teaspoon of oregano.
Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her.
Next, we're going to sprinkle about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of grounded garlic, or you can use the fresh garlic. This is all I have to hand, so I'm just using the ones that come in the bottle. Otherwise, you can use the fresh garlic. It's entirely up to you. And every time you pour in your spices, keep stirring in the mincemeat. Next, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the sweet pepper, about a teaspoon of that. It is quite spicy, but it's a sweet spice.
I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. Right there.
And now I'm going to add some curry powder, and again I'm just going to sprinkle that in, and I would say that's about 3 teaspoons of curry powder there, and just combining all my spices into the mincemeat.
Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now.
Now that all my spices have been blended and combined into the mincemeat, I'm just going to add my onions that we caramelized earlier on. So I'm just going to blend that all into the mincemeat, making sure everything is well mixed together.
How we watch since the kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here?
So I've added a cup of vegetables and I've brought them to the boil, and I'm going to then be draining them and then adding them to my meat, mincemeat. And also here I've added some parsley in there, and I'm just going to blend that in.
Right there, double the name, sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away. I don't
So now we just want to give that a quick stir for about a minute or so, maybe 2 minutes, on a low heat. And once that's done, we're just going to leave that to one side until it completely cools down. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some black peppercorns onto that, just to give it that little bit of a kick when you bite into the vegetables. And then we just leave that to one side while it cools down.
another day. How we watch since the kids walk away.
So now that our mincemeat has cooled down, I've already got some pastry ready in some round shapes, and I'm just going to put maybe 3 teaspoons of the filling into the pastry, fold it over, and then just pinch it with the fork, and that way nothing leaks out.
Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch since the kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch you come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. I think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. Right there on top of the moon.
So once all your patties are ready, we're just going to brush them with a little bit of milk, and then we're just going to make sure that they're all fully coated.
I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. I think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away.
Again, this is optional, but I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of black peppercorns all over my patties, and then we're good to go.
Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away.
So I have a fan assisted oven, so I'm just going to turn mine up to about 180 and leave them there for about 15 to 20 minutes, keeping an eye on them until they're golden brown.
Now thinking I should call up on her.
So I've left my patties in there for about 17 minutes. As you can see, they're nice and golden and brown, and you can eat these hot or cold, it depends on you, and serve with a little light salad. So I've made a little side salad, and also I've made a little garlic sauce. Just add some garlic, olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of coriander in there, and that's it. You can have them as a dip, and it's a very delicious snack, or an afternoon snack, which everybody will enjoy. Please try this recipe out. It's very easy to do. Your family will just absolutely love this. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you want to see some more of my easy home cooking recipes. Thanks for watching Lina's Home Creations. See you next week. Bye.